All right, what is up, y'all? We are back on our BS. We are back on our BS. I am sitting near my window, so hopefully the light cooperates with us today and we don't get played. But I also have on my ring light, so hopefully that's enough. I'm just priming my eyelids with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Porcelain. That's just what I've been doing lately. I love that it's super, super bright. So any colors I kind of put down, they just tend to pop a little bit more. So I just blended that out, and then I'm just gonna put some of my Makeup Revolution banana powder on top. You can use translucent, but like I really don't be caring because I end up covering it up anyway. So if it kind of tints a little bit yellow, it's fine. I'm just trying to set it so it does not move all the way around. I think I'm gonna take the Morphe 35M palette, and I'm just gonna take this brown shade right here and go all up in my crease first. And this is just a fluffy dual-ended brush, but yeah. Then I'm gonna go into my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I think I'm going to take these two colors, kind of create a mix, and kind of put it in the same area, but a little bit above that color we just put down. I go in with this kind of yellowy shade and diffuse the edges. Then I'm going to go in to the 39A palette, and I'm just going to mix this one and this one and just deepen it up a little bit more. Now I'm just taking a fluffy brush, fusing the colors together. So at this point, there's no like cut crease we're really doing, nothing too extensive. So I'm gonna take my finger and go in with this kind of pretty coppery shade right here, and we're just gonna put that all on the lid space. This is pretty, but for a little extra effect, I'm gonna take this orangey glittery shade right here and place that on top. But now I'm just taking the brush that I used to put the colors in my crease to kind of diffuse the edges of the orange. Now just for a little bit of the edge, I'm going in with this middle brown shade on the outer corners, and I mix it with a little bit of the darker brown shade. And if you lost a little bit of the orange, you can go ahead and throw that back on your lid a little bit like I'm gonna do. Pow. Because sometimes you lose pigment when you blend. So if you gotta pop it back on there, you do that. I'm going to go ahead and put on just a little bit of brown liner, and this is the Liquid Genius High IQ liner by Ruby Kisses in dark chocolate. So I don't want a harsh black, but I do want something, because I am gonna put on lashes, to hide my lash band. So I'm not even gonna create a wing. I'm just gonna kind of do a line to the end of my eye, and then we're gonna put on lashes. All right, so I'm just gonna pop on these wispy kind of mist lashes I got from my beauty supply. So I'm gonna put these on, and then we're gonna come back and do face and all of that. Okay, so at this point we have lashes on. We are ready to move on. I'm honestly gonna go through my face. I'm not gonna be talking. I feel like you guys have seen me do my face a couple of times, and my routine hasn't really changed. I'm just switching up a couple products, but I know this is like a full look, so I do want to show the face. So I'm just going to speed it up a little bit from here, and I of course will show all the products, and I'll have them listed down below in the description bar for your convenience. All right, y'all, so this is where we at. This is the final look, and I love it. I always love looks like these around this time of the year because it's fall and it just looks pretty with a lot of different stuff you can wear. See, my goal was to help you piss off a lot of them dry hating aunties that you see every year that are like, oh my God, why you got on that much makeup? Would you like some concealer? Aunt Cheryl. Then ask Aunt Cheryl why her mac and cheese dry. Make sure to hit that subscribe button below to become a part of the fabulous Trice tribe and never miss a video from moi. And also go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, like it if you enjoyed it, if you enjoyed the look, if you enjoyed me. As always, I thank you guys so much for tuning in, whether this is your first time or you've been back. I appreciate you. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.